Python programming language, inner classes. Explore the purpose, syntax, and benefits of inner classes in Python. Inner classes are classes defined within another class in Python. They are used for logically grouping related classes, enhancing encapsulation, and improving code organization. Inner classes, defined inside an outer class using the class keyword. They can be accessed through instances of the outer class, allowing for organized and structured code. Instances of inner classes, created through an instance of the outer class, using dot notation. This approach facilitates interactions between nested classes efficiently. Inner classes, particularly useful in complex data structures, enhancing modularity and readability. They are ideal for encapsulating logic that is closely related to the outer class. While inner classes can enhance code organization, they may also complicate readability if overused. They are best utilized when the logical grouping of classes is clear and necessary. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.